Welcome back to Chafin's Garage. So you've got yourself a cracked tail light on your MINI Countryman, your F60 MINI Countryman. That's the second generation of Countryman. They stopped the first generation at 2016. After that, they went to the F60, which is what we're dealing with here. Now you can't just replace the plastic like in the old days. You have to replace the entire assembly, and it looks like this. You can get it for about $250 present day money, 2024, early 24, late 23 money, and it comes with chrome trim. I'm going to show you how to take that off. And this one's got the blacked out version, but you have to buy this whole thing. You can get them discounted. I found this one for about $75 off. I'll put a link down in there, but you're buying the whole piece, which is kind of nice because you get a whole new light, but you do have to spend extra money. So we're going to go through this here in just a minute, and we'll start by taking this trim off. Trim comes off first, and then we can get to the light from inside and from out here, and we'll replace it. Just quick, relatively quick job. Pretty much anybody can do it. So if I can do it, you can do it. Okay. First thing we're going to do is take the trim piece off. It could be chrome in your case, but it's black here. And so we're going to get ourselves a little trim tool so we don't scratch the paint. And then what you're going to do is you're going to work this out, and it will pop off. Now this one I've already loosened, so it's going to pop off, but I'll show you what's going on when you get in there. So you've got these little clips that fit in here, and so you're just prying those off first, so that way we have the light assembly where we can get to it. The next piece that we're going to do is on the other side over here, and I'm going to see if I can move this in to this side now to show you. Okay, right here, this piece, this plastic piece comes out. It's attached also to the headlight assembly. So, and I'd already pulled this out once before. Now, do it somewhat gingerly because you can break these little black tabs off if you're not careful. But this now will expose, you can see that there, it'll expose these right here. So we're going to come back, we're going to loosen this, and then we're going to show you what's on the other side here that connects this and holds this in. But it's basically these two nuts here that come off, and then two finger turning kind of retainers on the inside. GoPro, stop recording. Okay, we're inside the cargo bay here of the F60. And just to give you an orientation, over here behind the taillight assembly is a hatch, access panel that you're going to pull off. Pretty easy to get out of there. And this is what you're going to see inside. And you see those two white look like clips. Those turn, and I'll show you on the other one. You're going to take those and turn those, and you're going to also take out this plug, and once you get the plug out and those two white things turned, and there, these down here, you can see on the new one how they turn to hold in the light. Okay, so we're gonna do that next, and then these right here are those nuts, and those are 8mm, by the way. We're going to pull those 8mm off, and then this will come out, and then we'll put it back together. So we'll keep going. Okay, we're going to keep going here. Here are these 8mm. I've already turned the white little handles in there. Hello. And I've unplugged the plug. So really, once I take this out, should come out. The light should come out. One. Two. Any luck? Should come right out. And there she is. And we'll put the replacement in reverse order. Good time to look around, clean, see if there's anything that's doesn't look right connected. Be back in a minute with the new one. Okay, we've got our replacement right here, and we've taken the chrome piece off. It's pretty easy to get off. It just works like the other one. It just has these clips on here. Just be careful not to pry on it too hard. It should with a little ginger prying with that trim tool, it'll come off. So you don't want to crack it because it's plastic. And then we're going to fit this in here, and you can use your screws here, where the nut goes, as your guide, and it'll fit in. And then what we're going to do is go onto the inside and twist those white tabs next. Okay, here we are, and I don't know if you can see them, but there's the white tabs. There are those white tabs. We're going to go ahead and turn those, and then we're going to put that plug in there, and then we'll go put the nuts back on, and then we'll put the trim on, and that'll be it. Okay, so we've got our new light assembly in here situated. Okay, we've got the, sorry about the brightness of the light, but I wanted you to see this. So I've got the new light assembly fit in here situated. The little white tabs are turned, holding this in. The plug is back in. So now all we got to do is put these back on, get these tightened. Then we're going to test the tail light to make sure that, of course, everything's functioning before we put the rest of it together. You could actually do that right now. And then we'll put the trim back on, and we're set to go. Press the brake. Right turn signal. Awesome. Thumbs up. Works. Okay, next, we're going to put this back on. You can see the clips where they go, and this piece here. Get those right in there like that. Good and snug, tight. And then we're going to put the trim in, and we're good. Here's our trim. Just pops on, in theory. There we go, snap. That's it. It's in. Job well done. Thanks for watching. See you next time.